In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install Gemini CLI on Windows and use it to build your website. And I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So first of all, just go to any browser, and in the browser, you need to search for GeminiCLI.com and then press enter. So this will take you to this page, and here you will see a command npm install -g at the rate of Google/Gemini-CLI. So we need to run this command in the command prompt. But before that, you need to make sure you have Node.js installed in your system. So in order to check whether you have Node.js installed or not, you need to go to your Windows search option. You need to write over here cmd. Here you can see command prompt. Click on this, and here if I just say node dash dash version, then press enter. Here you can see I am able to see a Node.js version. So if you see Node.js version over here after giving this command, it means Node.js is installed on your system. But if Node.js is not installed, then just go to any browser, search for Node.js, and here you can see nodejs.org. You need to click here, then click on download, then just go down, and here you can see Windows installer. So we just need to click on this. It will download the exe file, and we just need to install that exe file, and Node.js will be installed in our system. So once Node.js is installed, it means you are ready to run this command and install Gemini CLI. So since we already have Node.js installed, so right now what we need to do is that we just need to open a command prompt. So I'm just going to click here, right here cmd. It will open the command prompt. There you can see. So in this command prompt, we are going to copy this command and paste the command npm install -g at the rate of Google/Gemini-CLI. Then press enter. So this will install Gemini CLI in our system, and it will take a few seconds, like 20 to 30 seconds to install Gemini. And if you see any warning like this, don't worry about those warning. Those warning are totally fine. And there you can see Gemini is installed in our system. So there you can see Gemini right now is globally installed in our system. Here you can see -g means global. So right now let's go and create a project using Gemini CLI. So let me just close this, and let me just go to a folder. Let me just create a folder over here. Let's say the folder name will be Gemini underscore project. You can name the folder anything. Let's go inside, and here we're going to say cmd, press enter. And here, in order to open the Gemini CLI, we need to say here Gemini. Since Gemini is globally installed, so if we just open any command prompt and write Gemini and press enter, it will open the Gemini CLI in the command prompt. And there you can see, so it will tell us whether we trust the folder or not. So we are going to say yes, trust folder Gemini project, press enter. And there you can see it is now showing us how would you like to authenticate for this project. There is three options for you to log in. You can log in using Google account. You can also use Gemini API key, or you can also use Vertex AI as well. So the most easiest one is to log in with Google. So we are going to select this one. So I'm going to keep this dot over here at number on, then press enter, and I'm going to press on yes, and it will open in a browser, and it will tell us to choose one of our Gmail address. So I'm going to choose this Gmail, then click here sign in, and there you can see authentication successful. So right now if we just go back to our command prompt, here you can see you have successfully logged in Google. So the Gemini CLI needs to restart. So we need to press R to restart, or what you can do is that since we already signed up or logged in, we can just close this, and we can open another command prompt and write over there Gemini, and there you can see we are logged in with this Gmail address, and we are now able to give any prompt. So let's just give it a prompt. Let's say we want to build a simple website. So I want to build a simple portfolio website for Kung Fu Panda using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's just give this prompt and press enter. And there you can see it made a plan for us: structure, aesthetic, technology. So I'm going to say here, go with the plan, then press enter. And I'm going to choose the second option, allow for this session, press enter. And there you can see it already created index.html file over here. So here you can see it created the index.html script and style.css, and we need to press Shift plus tab to accept all the edit. So right now let's go and see the website. So I'll just double click on the index.html, and there you can see I'm not a big fat panda, I'm the big fat panda. Okay. So this is our website, and it actually looks quite good. And they also added some text over here. So Gemini is actually really good to build any kind of website. So yeah, overall, this is how we can install Gemini CLI in Windows and use it to make your website. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.